Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys oppo phone sound and vibration setting guys. In this video friends we will talk about guys how can we turn off do not disturb mode, and guys how can we solve guys a sound and vibration problem guys. Your phone is not ringing, and guys you cannot listen guys your ring sound, your ringtone sound. So guys how can you off this setting? And guys you can see guys on your screen guys you can see this moon icon, and guys you want to off this icon. So guys how can you off? So guys we call it do not disturb mode. So guys how to off do not disturb in our oppo phone, in this video I will show you. So friends, first of all open your phone setting, then guys scroll it, and friends you can see guys your sound and vibration setting. So guys tap here and guys scroll it again, then guys you can see do not disturb setting, guys tap here. So you want to off, so right side you can see this icon, guys tap here to off, and guys your phone will ring and vibrate. Also guys you can use your all volume setting, and guys this moon icon will remove on your screen. So like that guys you can off your do not disturb mode in your oppo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video. Bye bye. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye.